Ready for more?
You bet.
Let's hit it.
Looks like we found our first targets. Ready, knocked?
Got all those arms at your disposal. Use them. Let's clean them up quick.
Excellent work. On we go.
What if? Let's do this.
Haven't you ever heard? The best offense is a good defense. No idea what they're up against.
You said it.
What?
My hand slipped.
Keep it together. All in together now.
How about this? We're on the same page.
Yeah. Yes.
Yep. All right. We'll be done in no time.
Let's get on with it.
So, where are we headed anyway?
Nowhere until the repairs are done. Then we head for Golden Key.
Then after that, we hop a boat, and before you know it, Loverboy's hitched.
Wait for car repairs, then wedding bells in the air. Got it.
Almost there. Give it your all. Hey, Knock! Warp strike to catch him off guard! Don't wear yourself out like that. Take cover and rest up.
Hey, Davis! Instructions! Here I am!
Hold it up, okay?
Got the hot hand.
The game is up.
You're on fire today!
No big deal.
Nice. Mission complete.
Who could this be? Hello?
Hey, it's Cindy. How goes the hunting?
Actually, we just finished.
That's great, 'cause I got one more hunt for y'all. Only this time, it's for a person. Fella named Dave went off, and we ain't heard from him since. Reckon he staked out a spot in an old shack nearby.
Old shack. Oh, got it. We'll take a look. So, what did Cindy say? Needs us to find some Dave guy.
He went missing?
Not missing. Said he's holed up in that shack. What's this?
Knocked!
Get out of here! You okay?
We are now.
Spoke too soon.
I'm going all out.
Just don't get too carried away. You don't want to talk. The Prince of Pain.
Yep.
Down with this guy.
This one's just for you.
Outstanding, Noct.
Yep. Oh, yeah.
Hey, what about the shack over there? Hey!
Not yet. I've got a plan.
Huh. What are we looking at?
This creature is known as a saber-tusk. It skewers prey with its tusks, extracting game from the safety and comfort of burrow.
Buzz off!
Don't die on me.
You're out!
Gladio, do it! Must say, I'm amazed.
What can I say? Nice work, Gladio.
Hey, who's out there?
Well, and look who's in here. The man of the hour. Dave, right? Been looking for you.
Didn't mean to cause y'all any trouble. I've been stuck here on account of my sprained ankle. Yeah, something funny about them varmints. I gave them hell, but couldn't finish the job. Still one mean mutt about. Well, y'all don't look much like hunters, but what do you say? Put that puppy to rest for me?
Oh, yeah. We'll take care of it.
Well, y'all got guts, that's for sure. Let me tell you where I last saw him.
Way to show some spunk. Now let's get ready to kick some tail.
It would be wise to rest up before we set out. In that case, let's find a spot to make camp.
The hunters are really out in full force around here, huh?
So they're the new Crown's Guard or something?
Similar, though technically a civilian outfit.
They've definitely seen a lot more action than we have.
Is it cool that we rock Crown's Guard outfits?
Be worse not to. They made them especially for us.
Even got a sweet insignia on them.
In the Crown's Guard, your attire identifies you, so wear it with pride. And here we are.
Let's call it a day.
All right. I'm gonna pitch the tent.
Nailed it. Why can't I warp too? So unfair.
Like a father to her.
Ever since they got back, Sid's been the only one looking after her.
Rather more than a middling mechanic can handle.
All things considered, I'd say she turned out okay.
Like any girl.
You treat her wrong and Sid'll stuff his wrench where the sun don't shine.
Take care of the car, and it will take care of us.
Yeah, the car.
Sometimes I wonder if we'll ever sit inside that beautiful car again.
Sitting most of the day was pretty nice.
Napping was even better.
Over there! That's it, right?
Door horn?
Yes, but not your run-of-the-mill breed. We'd best make quick work of it.
Wait a sec.
What? Scared, big guy?
You ought to be too. Thing's vicious.
You sure? Looks tame to me.
Yeah.
Look out!
Showloose bros!
Nice one.
It's not over yet!
Ready for round two? Bring it!
You rang?
Wouldn't expect any less from you. Good.
Gladio! Nice work, Gladio.
Yep.
You're close, Becky. Gladio, do it!
Impressive.
Takes two.
Nice. Now it's time to go to town. Give him.
Pronto.
Let's finish it off.
I'll see what I can do.
Nice one, Pronto.
We all good?
Better than good.
Good to go.
Ring, ring.
Hello?
Hey, Dave just called and said he's safe. Thanks for finding him.
Okay.
Nice work, y'all. By the way, the old girl's looking good as new. She'll be waiting at the garage.
Gotcha.
So, who's up next behind the wheel?
Ignis should take it and never let go.
It helps that he can keep 4 eyes on the dash.
I couldn't even keep one.
Not sure I'd do any better.
Put me in the driver's seat.
Good. Because I need the legroom in back.
It's only so far, man.
Our Crown City upbringing didn't prepare us for this.
Pretend you're walking to the car.
It's rude to keep a girl waiting. You better apologize. What is that? A live hurricane? That thing's like half bird, half storm, half airship.
You realize that's 3 halves.
Would explain its size.
Awesome in every sense. Last thing I need now.
Eyes peeled, mouth closed.
Nothing to it.
Enough talk. Time for some action.
Let's get done with this riffraff.
Pronto! Thought you'd never ask. Gotta love it.
Wanna bash some heads in?
Stay down!
Gladio, do it!
Feisty little devils.
This sounds like you're having fun.
Whatever it does, it must be important.
Let's hit up the shop.
Sounds reasonable enough.
Sid's friends, was it? Nice work out there. I can tell you all about the area. Take your pick. Appreciate it. Stay alert.
Whoa! Look, Nux!
What is it? Man, it's hot.
Then lose the jacket. close.
Hey, Ignis, instructions!
Careful! Don't let him get you!
Listen to you. Hey, Prompto! Stay on your feet!
Gladio!
Don't miss!
Watch this!
Ignis!
Rush him!
Count on it!
You like that?
Solid! Ignis! Don't be late. Prompto! Nice one, Prompto.
It's not
Are we all right?
Hold him steady.
How are we?
Getting by. Hey, Ignis, instructions!
Going for it!
Farewell.
You're mine!
Here goes nothing!
I'll back you up, Noct. I'm counting on you.
Watch the enemy's movements.
Yep, right, got it.
I'm dying of thirst here.
I'm starving to death.
And yet we're all very much alive.
What can I do you for? No surprises. How's about a bite to eat?